Welcome to Fairmeadows. Let's learn about our PBIS expectations.
We want to provide a positive and safe learning environment for everyone.
What does that mean?
Let's take a look. Number 1, be respectful.
Use quiet voices in an assembly. Keep your hands to yourself and pay attention to the speaker. Yay, here's the PBIS way. Number 2, be responsible.
Clap and laugh at appropriate times. Stay in place. No wiggling around. Awesome! Way to sit quietly. Number 3, be safe.
Follow directions. Walk quietly in a straight line to and from an assembly.
I love how you're walking quietly with your class.
Terrific, here's the PBIS way.
Together we can model positive behavior.